Thank you so much for purchasing this course. I promise you it's going to be another delicious journey with me here on Udemy. So what are we going to be cooking in this course? Well, for starters, we'll be doing General Tso's chicken. I bet many of you love that dish. Apparently, it's America's most popular Chinese takeout dish. And we'll also be making sweet and sour chicken. And that is UK's most popular Chinese takeout dish. So I'm giving you the best of two worlds. And we'll be making Singapore noodles. Everybody I speak to just loves Singapore noodles, so I had to include it. And we'll be making egg fried rice, because egg fried rice is always good. And for a change, we'll be doing a beef dish. Beef in orange sauce. And I will also be talking you through how to convert that into chicken in orange sauce. And then the bonus recipe in this course will be how to make your own prawn crackers at home. To successfully do this course, you will need access to Chinese ingredients. Most of the ingredients in this course are your standard ordinary ingredients, but there are a few that you may have to make a special trip to your Chinese grocer or order it online. You can get anything online, right? So before we get started in the actual cooking, I will talk you through some of the exotic ingredients that we will be using in this course. Now, all recipes are downloadable in PDF as well as Word. If at any time while you're doing the course or after you've done the course and you've got any questions, any comments, please leave me a message on Udemy. I'm only a click away. And finally, if you enjoy this course, if you find this course useful, please leave me a 5-star review for the course, telling other students what it is about the course that you found interesting, that you found helpful, that you found useful. Your review and your rating is going to help other students find this course on Udemy. So that's it. Let's get our aprons on and let's go cooking those 5 takeout dishes.